This is our breadboard setup. We chose a 100 ohm resistor because we knew that we needed 22 volts of power and 20 milliamps to run through. So we found out that we need 100 ohms of resistance to do that from the 5 volt choice on our Arduino board. We can see that we have we got about almost 2 volts running through our LED, and around 2.8 volts through our resistor, giving us about 5 volts that we originally started with. And then through our resistor, we have about 20 milliamps of resistance for our current.